Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing Leetcode 986 problem, interval list intersections. It's a medium level problem. You are given two lists of close intervals, first list and second list, where first list of I is start of Y, end of I, and the second list of J is start of J, end of J. Each list of the intervals is pairwise disjoint and in sorted order. Okay, they have given us that the intervals are in pairwise disjoint and in sorted order, and we don't have to sort the list. Okay, that's a benefit they have given us to us. Return the intersection of these two interval lists. A closed interval a comma b with a less than equal to b denotes the set of real numbers x with x greater than equal to a and less than equal to b. The intersection of two closed interval is a set of real numbers that are either empty or represented as a closed interval. For example, 1, 3 and 2, 4. We can see that 1, 3 and 2, 4. Okay, and let's see here. See, given as 1, 1 to 3 is one interval and 2 to 4 is another interval. So see, 2 to 4 is in another interval, and you can see that there is an intersection between these two. These points are the intersection between these two, and we have to return this point, which is 2 comma which is 2 comma 3. Okay, so we have to return this, and let's see the answer, which is 2 3. Okay, so see, I have copied the first example the one notebook. Let's proceed to the one notebook. Okay, so see, let me reduce the size so that it would be clear. Okay, see, the condition is I have represented as the dashed lines. Okay, and first example I have copied a equal to 0 2 5 10 13 23 24 25. These are the intervals which are given to us as first list and denoting first list by FL, and these are the intervals which are given as second list, so I am denoting this as SL. Okay, the so see the intersection between, let's consider these first two intervals. So see, the intersection lies here, and you can see that one is intersecting between them, so 1, and you can see that 1 comma 2 is the part which is intersecting between them, so I can write this as 1 comma 2 will be one part which comes in the intersection between these two. And on proceeding further, we could see that this has a larger interval, so we will increment the ith pointer. Let I point to this and j point to this. We have to check which one has the higher value. 2 comma 5, this has the higher value, so I will increment it. So see, the intersection between these two, 1 5 and 5 10, we can see that the only one intersection is this only, so one part will be 5 comma 5. I'm sorry. Okay, and now see, we have to check whether which of the intervals has the greater value, 10 comma 5. So this has the greater value, so j will be incremented. Now j will be point here. Okay, I'm sorry. So see, we can see that here it intersects the interval between them, and so an answer which is coming us is 8 comma 10, which is coming to be is 8 comma 10 of these intervals. Now check which of them has the higher value. 12 has the higher value, so I will increment it, and now we will check with this. We can see that here 12 and these two are not incrementing, and now we will check which one has the higher value, 23 or 12. 23 has the higher value, so j will be incremented, and now we are here. So see, the intersection point of this is this and this. You can see that 15 comma 23 is the pair which is appearing in this intersection, so I will name this as 15 comma 23. Okay, now you have to check that which one has the higher value, 23 or 24. 24 has the higher value, so ith pointer will be incremented, and now you can see that this has the only intersection which is this, so 24 comma 24 is the part which is intersecting. I can name this as 24 comma 24, starts at 24, ends at 24. Okay, now check which one has the higher value. 25 is the higher value, so j will be incremented, and now check, this is the only interval which is intersecting. None other than this is also not intersecting, so 25 comma 25 is the interval. Okay, so this is the answer that we got from our try execution. So you can see that 1 2 5 5 8 10, 1 2 5 5 8 10, and 15 23 24 24 25 23, 15 23 24 25 25 25. So see, now we have dry run this code and we know that this approach is correct. So now we have dry run an arbitrary approach. So see, to do this kind of question, our approach will be simple. So see, I'll show you. 1 minute. See, we will first point the ith pointer to the first interval and jth pointer to the we'll first point the ith pointer, ith variable, to the first list first vector, and j to the second list second vector. So see, we have to check the condition that whether the I of, whether this, we can denote this as I of 0, okay, is less than equal to j of 1. 0 denotes this part and 1 denotes this part. I would name this so it would not be confusing. And this is 1, okay, and this is 0. So see, we have to check first condition is that whether I of 0 is less than equal to j of 1. Here's the condition is matching. And now we have to check the other condition, that whether the and we have to place and condition, whether the j of 1, j of 0 is less than equal to I of 1. If this condition matches, okay, if this condition is true, so see, our answer will be containing max of I of 0 comma j of 0, I of 0 comma j of 0, okay, and it will be a vector, and the next pointer will be minimum of I of 1, minimum of I of 1 and j of 1, okay. So see, and after checking this condition, if none of the condition matches, if this condition is false, so we will check that whether which one has higher 1th value. So see, if I of 1 is greater than j of 1, then you have to increment j, plus plus. If, okay, and else will be I plus plus. So see, let's run this code on this example. Now see, I would make it more clear so it would be more clear to you. Okay, let's check this code. Let's use red pen. Okay, so see, we have to check first, our I will be pointing to 0 initially. I is 0 and j is 0, both are pointing to 0, 0th vector. So see, you have to check if I of 0, is 0, is less than equal to j of 1. Yes, the condition is true, j of 1 is 5, this condition is true, so this is true. And we have to check other condition, that j of 0, is 1, is less than equal to I of 1, I of 1 is 2. Yes, this condition is also true, so our condition matches. So we have to push the element maximum of I of 0 comma j of 0. Maximum of 0 comma 1 is 1, so I am naming this as 1, and minimum of I of 1 comma j of 1. So minimum of I of 1 comma j of 1, we have to point. So see, minimum of 2 comma 5 is 2, so this will be pushed to the vector of vector. Okay, and now we have to check the condition that if I of 1 is greater than j of 1. No, the condition is false. I of 1 is smaller than j of 1, so we have to increment the I. So now I will point to 1. Now I will point to 1. Okay, now I is pointing to 1, and we have to check whether I of 0 is 5 is less than equal to j of 1. Yes, the condition true. Is less than equal to, it's equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Okay, this condition true. And we have to check j of 0. J of 0 is 1 and it's less than equal to I of 1. Yes, the condition is true. Then we have to push maximum of I comma 0 and j comma 0. Maximum is, you can see that 1 comma 5, maximum is 5. So 5 will be pushed in the first position, and minimum of I comma 1 j comma 1, minimum will be 5. And now you have to check the condition that whether I of 1 is greater than j of 1. You can see that I of 1 is 10 and j of 1 is 5. We can see that I of 1 is 10 and it's greater than 5. So j will be incremented. Now j will be pointing to 1. J will be pointing to 1. Now check. I of 0 is less than equal to j of 1. I is pointing to here and j is pointing to this. And I of 0 is 5 and it's less than equal to j of 1. Yes, the condition is true. 5 is less than equal to 12. And other condition will be j of 0, which is this, is less than equal to, is j of 0, which is 8, is less than equal to I of 1. Yes, the condition is true. You can see that. Then we have to push I comma 0 comma j comma 0, means we have to push maximum of I0 and j0. So you can see that maximum of I0 and j0 is 8. So 8 will be pushed, and minimum of I comma 1 and j comma 1, minimum is, that is 10. So 10 will be pushed. And now you have to check whether I of 1 is greater than j of 1. No, the condition is false. So I will be incremented. So I will point to 2. Now I will point to 2. Okay. So now check with second condition. You have to see that whether I of 0 is less than equal to j of 1. I of 0 is 8 and j of 1 is 23. And the condition is true. And in other condition, j of 0 is less than equal to I of 1. J of 0 is 12. Okay. J of 0. J of 0 is, j of 0 is 8, is less than equal to I of 1. Yes, the condition is true. Okay, I have got confusion. So let's run this again. I of 0 is 13, is less than equal to j of 1, which is 12. No, the condition is false. So it will not be executed. Okay, and now you have to check with which one has the 1th pointer greater, 23 or 12. 23 is greater, so j will point to 2. Now j points to 2. Now check. We have to check I of 0 is less than equal to j of 1. I of 0 is 13 and it's less than equal to 24. Yes. And j of 0 is less than equal to I of 1. Yes, the condition is true. Then you have to push back maximum of I0 and j0. I0 and j0 is 0 and 2, and maximum of 0, 13 or 15 is 15. Okay. And minimum of middle, maximum is 15, and minimum of I comma 1 j comma 1, which is 23. Okay, so this will be pushed. Now you have to check which one has 1th pointer greater. You can see that 24 is greater than 23, so I will be incremented. I will now point to 3. Okay, now we have to check this. I of 0 is less than equal to j of 1. Yes, the condition is true. J of 0 is less than equal to I of 1. Yes, the condition is true. You have to push back maximum I0 and j0, which is 24, which is 24. You can see, so 24 will be pushed, and minimum of I1 and j1. I1 is 24 and 25, so 24 will be pushed. You have to check which one has highest 1th pointer. I has highest 1 pointer, so j will be incremented. J will be now pointing to 3. Now check with 3. So see, I of 0 is 24 and j of 1 is 25. The condition is true. J of 0 is 25 and is less than equal to I of 1. Condition is true. So next will be pushed will be maximum of I0 is 0, which is 25, and minimum will be 25. So this will be pushed, and after this we have to check which one has highest pointer. 26 has highest pointer, so j will be incremented, and it will violate the condition of the while loop, and it will come out of the loop, and now it will skip the further iterations. So let's check the code of this example. Now check, I have maintained ith pointer to 0 and jth also pointer to 0. Okay, and I maintained a vector int answer for containing the answer, and we have to first found the list size, first list dot size function, and m for second list size, and we have to iterate till I is less than n and j is less than m. Okay, I have said that first list of I, 0 is less than equal to second list of I j, 1. This condition that I have written here, and first list of I, 1 is greater than equal to second list of this condition I have written here. Okay, sorry, and now we have to push back maximum of the 0th pointer and minimum of ith pointer. Okay, this we have to push back, and it's a vector, so we have maintained curly brackets, and we have to check which one has the highest 1th pointer. So if I has the highest 1th pointer, so j will be incremented, and if j has the highest 1th pointer, so I will be incremented, and at last we have to return the answer. Let's submit it. Thank you friends. If you like this solution useful, then you can like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please friends, please subscribe to my channel.